In this video, I introduce how to work with result cases, how to configure them to have the appropriate input for result display, result import, or cross-section optimization in the GrasshoppertoAXISVM add-on. For this steel frame structure, the result case lists of the linear static analysis and the backlink analysis are available in Grasshopper on the output side of the AXISVM analysis control component. On the component palette, there is a new subcategory called Results that includes the Configure Result Case component. This can be used, for example, to choose between min and max envelopes and select the mode shape of interest. Let's take the result case list of the linear static FEA. The list item component is connected to the AXResultCase1 output of the analysis control component. I select now the load combination called ULS from the list and connect this result case to the configure result case component. The same value appears on the output. For display purposes, it may be important to see this result case on the Steel or Timber Design tab in AXISVM. To consider a linear or nonlinear static result case as Steel or Timber Design result case, I connect a valid design member to the bottommost input of the component. Thus, the result case of the output is turned to be a Steel or Timber Design result case depending on the type of the design member. Notice that the result case on the input side is not affected. See another example. Let me select the critical combination from the linear static result case list. Thus, the input parameter min-max type and crit.com type became relevant. They are not gray anymore. Opening the pop-up menu of the component with a right-click and create a list of min-max type and critical combination types, displays and connects the related value lists. If I change the settings, the output result case is adjusted immediately. Now I take the result case list of the backlink analysis. In this case, the second input parameter called level shape time ID is relevant. The mode shape, load level, or time step number 1 is selected by default. I may set any other value between 1 and the available maximum. In this case, we have 12 mode shapes, as you can see in the description of the result case. Finally, I go back to the first example to show that multiple result cases may also be configured at once. Both result cases on the output are considered as steel design result cases, and for example, if I change the min-max type, the envelope result case is adjusted. The load combination is not modified, of course.